No, hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the export business of laundry soaps from our country. Laundry soaps are used for cleaning, removing dirt, stains, and odors from clothes and fabrics. India exports laundry soap to more than 50 countries, and these are the top destinations. This product falls under Chapter 34 and HSN code 3401194 is used for this product. More than 12,000 shipments took place as reported on 25th April 2025, and during the financial year 23-24, laundry soaps exports under HSN code 3401194 had a total worth of 49.34 crores of Indian rupees, and between April 24 and June 25, the total worth of export is to 3.08 crores of Indian rupees. Key manufacturer and supplier you can find in many cities in this country, and these are the top cities. I hope the information in this video will be useful for your export business, and request to leave a comment below and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. If interested, please send a message to the WhatsApp number in this video and learn about the export business processes and compliance. Thanks for watching this video.